Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, this is the Bell Makeovers, a Lagos, Nigeria based makeup artist. Today's video is going to be a Siren eye makeup tutorial. So if you would like to see how we achieve this, please keep on watching. But before we get started, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please click that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video when I post it. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be skipping the eyebrow part because I just uploaded the video. I made the eyebrow tutorial very detailed, so you can go and watch it. It's the video right before this one. So the first thing I did was to cleanse her face thoroughly, and I also moisturized her lips. Now, using the same concealer that I used to highlight the brows, I just took a really little amount and I'm blending it all over her eyelid. I'm doing this to even out the eyelid because I don't intend to actually put eyeshadow on the eyelid. This eye makeup tutorial has a very sharp or defined edge. That's why I'm using this masking tape to create like a sharp edge for the eye makeup we're about to do. I looked around for my eyeshadow shield. I couldn't find it and I didn't want to waste any further time, so I had to improvise with this masking tape. Now I'm setting the eyelid with powder because you don't want your concealer to be moving around. Now I'm going into that black eyeshadow and I'm using a very detailed brush to apply it just the way I would apply an eyeliner. You see, I started from the outer corner of the eye and I'm winging it upwards. You can also use a pencil, that's a black pencil or gel or whatever color you want. Don't be limited to black. So I basically extended the line up to like the middle point of the eyes. So I don't want the line to be as precise as that. I just want to smudge it out a bit, and for that I'll be using that wine shade. So the idea is to use something that is a bit lighter to gently smudge it out, which is what I'm doing now. I'm going to go into another lighter shade and I've changed my brush to a small blending brush to further blend out the edge. And that's basically it actually for Siren eyes. The way it looks when you are looking down, like when the eyes are closed, is it just looks like a flat, like a straight line across the eyes, which is how it is looking until you open your eyes before you see the lift. So now for some extra glam, I'm adding some pigments at the middle point of the eyelid and I applied some glitter primer over that spot, and now I'm just going to place the pigments there just for some extra shine. I'm just going to lightly tap it at the middle point. I don't want it to be too much. I used a neutral shade so that it doesn't overpower what I've done. It doesn't give, you know, like some extra color to the eye other than the one I had put before. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to gently peel out the masking tape that I put at the edge of the eye to reveal the sharp edge of our Siren eye. I hope you like what you see. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up right now. Thank you. So now we are moving into the skin, and I'm just going to clean under the eye and everywhere else before going into the skincare. So I'm using a serum right now, a moisture serum. This one is from Omaricode. It's a Nigerian brand. So I'm applying it and I'm going to work it into her face with my fingers all over. This is the first step in moisturizing the face. I'm still going to go in with 2 more moisturizers because she has a normal skin though, but I want a really hydrated skin before applying my makeup. When the skin is plumped up and hydrated, it makes blending your products a dream. Like, it will be so easy for you to work your products on the skin. You don't want to apply your foundation on patchy skin. You want, when you finish your makeup, you want it to look like, you know, like skin. So that is what I'm trying to achieve. Now this is the first moisturizer. Moisture, it's by Msmetics, also a Nigerian brand, Moisture Bomb, and I'm working it all over her face as well, taking special care for her under eye. You have to make sure that the under eye is really moisturized. So next I went into this Cosrx. Please note that you have to wait for about a minute in between the application of different products. You want the product you apply to be absorbed into the skin before you apply another one over it. So once this has stayed on the face for a while, I'm going to apply the primer that I used, which is Omaricode hydrating primer. So I applied that all over the face as well before going into my foundation. For this look, I mixed two foundations, Zikel foundation in 005 and L'Oreal True Match foundation in W7. For some reason, I don't know why it was looking very yellowish on camera, but it wasn't. It was a good match for her skin tone, and you will see how it will eventually come out when we are done with the makeup. So this video was getting overexposed at some point in some areas, and I really apologize for that. I didn't know until I had finished filming. Please bear with me. What do you think about this look so far? I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you also have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and I will respond to it. All the products I used will also be listed in the description box, so you can check there.
was wrong to say. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
So this is basically it for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it. Which part of this whole look do you love most? For me, the eye was supposed to be the focus, but I'm really loving those lips. I'm loving them. Let me know if you also love the lips in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.